Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have edit or owner rights to the folder. Without that, link sharing may be restricted. Once signed in, open the cloud or local file manager and locate the folder you want to share. Make sure sync is complete so the latest files are present. Then right-click or tap the three-dot menu on the folder to reveal sharing options. Choose the command labeled Share, Get Link, or Create Link to begin generating the link. Now choose how the link behaves and why that matters. Pick View Only to protect files, or allow edit if collaborators must change content. Once done, set advanced controls like expiration dates, password protection, or domain restrictions to limit who can access the link. Make sure to require sign-in for sensitive data so you can track viewers. Finally, verify if you need upload permissions for others, and confirm whether link previews or download limits should be enabled before copy the generated link and paste it into your chosen medium, adding a short note explaining what recipients should do and any deadlines. Once sent, validate the link by opening it in an incognito window or asking a colleague to test access so you confirm the chosen permissions work as intended. If someone reports access problems, make sure the link hasn't expired, domain restrictions aren't blocking them, and the folder permissions include their account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.